Hi guys, today I received this Menintog pack of 2 fireworks lights for your garden, and I think they're quite nice. Well, right now they're turned off, but it has these solar panels, so you can let them charge during the day, and they will turn on during the night. So they are really nice. So what I'm gonna do is set them here in my patio, turn off the lights, and see how they look. Okay, as you can see, they are already on. You can arrange them however you like. I'm gonna extend this a bit more. This, also this one. Okay, so you can see they look really nice. You can arrange them in every way you want. You can set them various. You can use them in different kind of parties to decorate your garden, different kinds of situations, and they will look pretty amazing. As you can see, they are beautiful. They have these dual colors, which are really nice. And you can just leave them and get them charged all day long. You can leave them at night, turn on, and they will turn off when the light comes on, and they will turn on when the night goes on. So they are really nice, and I will actually really recommend these ones.